Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with some Hot Wheels. I have got another case here, as you all can see. This is a C case. Little quick notes for anybody that's new at this. The L2593 indicates that it is a long card US case. It's a C case. I'm not sure what treasure hunts are in these, but we're going to see if we got one in this one. That's just a little quick information. The C case is the third assortment that they've released for this year. So we're going to go ahead without any further ado and cut this open and see what we can find in here. This makes the second full case I've ever opened, so I have no idea what I'm going to get a hold of here. This case I ordered from Dollar Tree. I got the first one from the local Walmart, got lucky and caught it. This one I ordered from Dollar Tree and they dropped it off on my doorstep. So had to pay shipping, but that ain't too bad. So anyway, we're going to pull these cars out and see what we get. That's going to be really aggravating. There we go. Improvise. See what we got here. We're going to pull out the first three. We're going to make this a short video, run through these pretty quick. They loaded this box up, looks like, on the Nissan Skyline GTR. We got two of them almost back to back in the 80 El Camino. I'm hoping there's a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt or something in here. I don't know. We'll just have to see what we got. I think I see something though. I got too many cars out at one time. Got a little excited on that one. The first one we're going to have is a If I didn't drop one, it wouldn't be right, would it? First one we're going to have is a 2016 Ford GT. And then the Hollinator. And looks like we're going to have a Roger Dodger for a... right there it is, if y'all can see it, if I can get it in focus on the camera. See the little circle right up under there? We're going to have a treasure hunt right here. Alright, I was hoping for that, and you can see right here on the back it indicates the C case. I'm sure anybody that's on here is fooling with Hot Wheels is well up to date on that, but I'm just throwing it out there for the new people. Alright, we're going to lay that one right up on top. Really excited to see that. Okay, we're going to have a 68 Mustang in the Tune series and a Blade Runner. And we're going to have a 69 Chevelle in the X-Ray Racers. Hope I said that right. Alright, we're going to have a Fig Rig, a Pixel Shaker, and a head gasket. Little car there is odd, but for some reason I really like it. Alright, we're going to get these out here. We got a Lindstar prototype, Ion Motors Thresher, and a Surf and Turf. I like these little cars right here in the several different variations that they come in. Pull this next one out right here. I don't have this one, the Nash. We got a 69 Chevelle and a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and of course that ain't a treasure or super treasure hunt, it's just a plain car. And we got the school bus, the Dodge van that seems to be going along pretty good, and the Volvo 850. Now this little car here, I don't like the red version, but there is several different versions that I like pretty good on that thing. Different paint schemes and what have you. Alright, we got a Honda Civic. One of my all-time favorite, like I've said on here before though. I like the trucks, the classic trucks and the antique stuff, but this Honda Civic, these things just have a special spot. We got another Surf and Turf. Same color scheme as before, and a Rockin' Santa Sled. Holidays Racers. That one there I don't really care much for, but it is what it is. Alright, we got this series right here, the Donut Drifter, the Tricera truck. Hope I got that in focus, and another one of those wagons. Oh, here's one I don't have. We got the, I got this one, but this custom, 77 custom van, I don't have any of those, so that one's going in the collection. Lay it right here, and then we got this 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Oh, the Cloak and Dagger. We got another Honda Civic. I think it's about custom time now on the Civic. I may disassemble one of these and do a custom paint job. The blue is my favorite color, but there were some other ones we liked. I done some of the import stuff back in the mid to late 90s there. Had a Honda Civic and stuff. The Formula Solar, I don't have it. The 2020 Jaguar F-Type, I don't have it. I do have the van, the Quick Bite. That'll do it for the top level. Let's see if we can, how hard it is to get this cardboard out of here. Let's see what we find in the bottom. right, I can see we got a Batmobile, a lethal diesel. I do like that one. I don't have it. Or actually, I do have one too. I mean, let me take that back. Let me see what case that come out of. That come out of the C case also, so I thought that might have been a holdover, so that's the reason I checked it. Alrighty. We got another Jaguar, another Dior, I can't pronounce that. Dioria 3 and a 17 Lamborghini Yaris. I'm sure I minced that word. Okay, we got a Hot Wheels ID car, the twin mill. Don't have that one. Definitely going to keep it. And I've got 2 or 3 of these. We could start our own roller coaster with it, but got another one of them. This little car here, I'm kind of getting into the Baja. I've almost got the whole set of those. I'm building some of the subsets. Before I tried for the whole thing, but we're not doing that now. It's just 250 of them? No, we're not doing that. And we got the Hot Wheeler, the clip rod, the heavy hitcher. I don't have it. I do now. Okay, we got the standard twin mill. We've got the Subaru WRX STI and another one of those. Some of these cars I'll end up selling, trading around on my local Facebook page and what have you that trades on these out of Knoxville. Buy, sell, trade. I'll put a little link to it right up here in the corner. Right up here somewhere. If any of y'all are local, I'll have a link to the Knoxville one. Subaru and another Porsche. I didn't like those Porsches at first, but they are starting to grow on me. Oh, let's see what we got here. The Zombot. One of my least favorite. Another one of those and another Porsche. Oh, yes, I got a Batmobile, which I already had. This Land Rover, it and the Bronco, the 21 Bronco. I love those things. Those are some of the neatest ones. I may disassemble one of these and do a different paint job on it. But definitely going to add one of those to my collection. Got another ADL Camino, got a Porsche and a BMW. I like this car right here. I don't know, I'll probably throw one of them in my collection. Some of these, like I said, we're going to buy, sell, trade. We're going to have a giveaway coming up when we get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to try to cover 2 or 3 different things, which I know I'm a little away from it. I think as of this video, it's 765. When we get to 1,000, we're going to do some Hot Wheels. We're going to do some of the giveaways for the different things that I do. Still coming up with that. Got another Dodge van. And I have been behind times. I did not discover that this van drifting was as hot over in Japan and overseas and all as it was till just a little while back. A friend of mine told me about it, and I got to watching some YouTube videos, and I was just flat out amazed. The last time I fooled with drifting, it was still cars. Or I didn't do it, but I watched it with the import scene. Anyway, we got a Corvette Grand Sport. Another one of those there. Hello Kitty. I only got a hold of one of them. Now I may keep this one. Another lethal diesel and a BMW M3. And the Turtle van. I'll go ahead and spoil it before I get it out. The Turtle van. Grew up watching those back in the late 80s. Seen all the movies. Really like the Turtle van. Another one of those, if anybody's got liking for those. And here's another head gasket. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'll do a quick recap. The best one out of here, I got a, let me get it focused in here. Hope that comes through. A Super Treasure Hunt. The Roger Dodger. Been looking for that one. I've got one. I've had 3 Roger Dodgers that I've actually owned. I have traded them off, and I've got one regular run left, and then now this one. So definitely going to hang on to that. Let me throw some of these up here. Got the van. Didn't have this van. Got the ID car, the twin mill ID. One more quick note I want to add to the video because I completely missed this whenever I pull this van out. Where is it? The Roger Dodger, like I said in the video, is a Super Treasure Hunt. I apologize for totally missing the fact that this one, and right there is the emblem. This thing will focus. This is a treasure hunt also. So I pulled a Super Treasure Hunt and a treasure hunt out of here. Anybody watching the video earlier was probably like, what's he doing? He didn't even mention that. I'm sorry, I missed it. So I just wanted to add that right quick before I cut the video off. And let you all know that I did realize finally realized what I picked up. car. So that's some of the best ones that I pulled out of this box. Like I said, quick video. I do appreciate y'all watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll leave some links at the end. I do the Hot Wheels stuff here, collecting, building sets, building the 68 Chevy C10. I may leave a link to it at the end. Building a Chevy or a GMC S15. Got several projects going on. I do some lawnmower stuff, but I know you all are here to see Hot Wheels. But I'll leave some links if anybody sees this that's interested. Once again, y'all have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one.